we're making an Italian chicken dish. Don't know what it's called, but it's Italian, kind of. So I'm going to start with chicken. I've scored the chicken quite deeply and nicked the tendon here as well, just so it relaxes a little bit when it cooks. And what we're going to do, we're going to coat the chicken lightly with a little bit of flour, salt and pepper. Let it sit for a minute. Then we're going to fry some bacon in a pan. Add some onions. Then bring everything together. Garlic, chilli and herbs. Cook for about 4 hours with some wine. Job done. Simple ingredients. Lovely flavour. Focus, you're on camera. Alright, come on, sort it out. Right, here we have the chicken.
Am I chucking the chicken?
You're chucking the chicken in the pan. Oh my.
Yummy.
Watch the equipment, please. Then we're going to add a bit of flour. Oh, Anita's gone off laughing. Already, she got this far. She got this far, flouring the chicken. And a bit of pepper. And then do the thing. Yeah, get your hands in there. Oh my.
It's all sticking to the phone.
There you go, nicely coated. I've changed glamorous assistants. So first, what we're going to do, you need to put a bit of olive oil.
Where's the olive oil? There.
Yeah.
Where do I put it?
Into the pan. In here. Not a lot.
How much?
I'll tell you when. When? Okay. And then we'll wait for that to warm up a bit.
So,
You chuck the bacon into the hot pan.
this pan.
Yeah, smoking hot. It shouldn't be smoking hot, but never mind. Chuck that in the sink. And then stir. Stir.
It's stuck to the pan.
Whatever you do, don't stick it to the pan. You told me you were all over this, eh? Hey,
What?
you told me you had this under control.
Oh, I never said that. You're making things up.
No. Do not stick it to the pan.
You told me that
Oh, for
after.
crying out
You
loud.
told me that after I put it in.
Well, do something about it then. Stop poking it and stir it.
Ah!
Okay, bacon is cooked, crispy-ish. Lots of bacon loveliness in the bottom of the pan. Right, Ava, what are you
What?
looking at me like that for?
I didn't do
Oh, got a bit of a camera malfunction here. It's malfunctioning. Right, before that gets proper crispy. Oh, it's going proper crispy. Get the bloody olive oil in the pan. Come on.
I can't.
God. It's got proper crispy. It's gone black. My God. Yeah, right, a bit more. Like, fill it up. Come on, just fill it to the brim. That'll do. That'll do. That's fine.
That's enough.
That's fine. Right. Right, get this nice and warm. Oh my good Lord.
Loads.
Yeah. It's
No,
what?
no, loads.
Hmm?
Loads.
You are such a show off.
Right. What's next?
I don't know.
Just what is it? I'll flick my hair back and forth. Flick my hair back and forth. I'll flick my hair back and forth.
Yeah.
All over the chicken. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Genius.
I am a chicken.
You're a freaking genius.
I'm a chicken. I can't help myself.
Right. Before that cremates properly. Oh my God. Get the chicken in. Come on. Just dip it in. Come on.
need to get on the chair.
Get chicken in, and we need to make it nice and crispy and. That's it.
Oh.
Is that a splash?
Yeah, it splashed on me.
Right.
Ew.
Right.
Ew.
This is going from bad to worse, isn't it? Oh my god. We're supposed to look like we know what we're doing, Craig. Right. Right. Stop. Quit this stupid noises.
Wow, on the cat.
So we're gonna, on a sensible note, we're gonna brown the chicken
Yes.
until it's nice and crispy and brown on all sides. It will leave a nice crustiness on the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to lift it off with some wine, chuck in the rest of the stuff, and let it cook for a while. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so chicken is brown, ish.
It looks like an olive. A fat olive.
A fat olive, yeah. Okay, you probably can't pick it out on here, but it's brown. So while that's been browning, I've prepared some ingredients. Come on, for goodness sake! So I've got some onions, just chopped roughly, some brown, some garlic. No need to peel. Just smash it. We've got some chilies. Yeah, just one because the kids are eating it, and then we've got some nutmeg. Just a bit of a nutmeg. Are you sure that's nutmeg, Abe?
No.
No? Okay. Alright, okay. I'll trust you. I'll go with it. Right. So what we're going to do, we're going to chuck all this in. We're going to chuck the bacon in. We're going to chuck the herbs in. And then plug a little bit of wine in there. In fact, we might do that the other way around. I'll plug the wine in first, then chuck all of this loveliness in. And we'll see what happens. Bring you back in a second. So I'm going to add the wine. This will sorry, whatever you're saying there.
Hold on there.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Just put it over there.
No, grab it. I need the space. No, not you, Ava. He can't be drinking. You got school in the morning, sweetheart. Come on. What on earth are you thinking? Come on. You're such a bad influence, Anita. It's terrible. Right, then we'll add this lot.
Wait, the peel's still on the
Oh,
garlic.
yeah, the peel's fine. It's fine. It's fine, trust me. The nutmeg, however, I've decided to leave out. I give it a sniff and it wasn't, I think it was off. Then we're going to add the bacon. We're going to add the bacon and some herbs. Rosemary and thyme. Oh my good God. Oh dear. Right. So now we're going to cover.
Oh no, I'm crying.
Yeah. So now we're going to cover it and just. We're going to cover it. That's a cue. That's a cue.
Cover it to see.
No. That's not the right pan.
Oh, Bella's chewing a tissue.
That's not the right size, is it, Abe?
It's not-
Come on, you played that game at preschool, didn't you? Where you put the right size? No.
Fits.
Oh yeah, it is. Yeah. So clearly, I didn't. Come on. Right. And then what we need to do is turn up a little bit to get it going, and then we'll come back in 4 hours.
4 hours. We'll be eating ourselves by then.
Oh dear me.
4 hours later, after we've eaten our arms and legs.
What? What?
Hello, I'm Bubba Sue.
You what?
Bubba Sue.
And we have.
Our arms
A-
and legs.
Hang on. chicken.
Chicken.
The only thing I added that we didn't see on camera was
Nutmeg. Nutmeg.
I didn't add the nutmeg
Why didn't you add the nutmeg?
because the nutmeg just doesn't look right. Nutmegs are small and round.
Well, I did find it
Not-
around. I did find it somewhere near the toilet. So I'm
Oh,
not sure
okay.
if
And,
nutmeg.
just be quiet, will we? Anyway, we've got the chicken ready to go. I did add some passata.
Passata.
Yeah, passata.
Passata.
A passata?
Passata.
Sorry, passata?
Passata.
No, sorry, what did you say?
Passata.
Yeah, passata, yes. We added some passata while it was cooking, just to give it a bit of,
Passata.
yeah, a bit of passata. Now, we've got some fresh thyme, because I like fresh thyme. We've got some fresh...
What's the time?
What's the top? Oh, yeah, you're funny, aren't you? We've got some parsley. We're going to mix it in now, put it in a bowl,
Let's parsley.
and munch it.
Num num.
Yeah, num 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 num.
Num num num.
I'll bring you back in a minute. You don't get this mixing thing, do you? You just kind of stab it and poke it. just come on.
Well, baby seals are seals. We didn't know how to do anything. Bellissimo.
Can you garnish it for me, please?
No. Baby seals. No. What do you not, baby seal?
Listen, you.
You're such a baby seal
Right.
offender.
I'm gonna turn this off now.
Okay.
So hang on, quiet please. We've got
Baby seal.
mmm,